Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl K.DOLL. If you're new to my channel, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and if you're a returning subscriber, then obviously you're welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I've got a makeup tutorial for you guys. I know I disappeared for a while. I just ghosted off YouTube. I'm gonna do a life update Q&A very soon, and I'm gonna explain where I've been, what's been going on. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts, comment down below, video ideas, what you want to see. So if you have any questions, comment them down below as well. Except from that, I guess we're done, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. So guys, I'm going to start with doing my eyebrows, and for this I'm going to use a brown eyeshadow from the palette I've got in my hand. That's a Milani Obsession palette. I'm going to have the name down in the description box for you guys. But anyways, I use that to fill in my eyebrows. I like the brown eyeshadow. It works really well, and it's long lasting as well. And then going in with my concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and Toffee, and I mix both of those together. So I'm taking my time with it, as you can see, and I'm blending all of that in. I'm then going to go with my setting spray and then use my number 7 primer. I'm then going in with my MAC foundation in NW45. As you can see, I'm not swiping this, I'm buffing it into my skin. I'm really taking my time to blend it. I like to blend properly because I feel like it gives you a very flawless base. I'm then setting my eyebrows with my setting powder. I'm using the Makeup Revolution setting powder. I'm then going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm using Toffee. I use more of Toffee now because I feel like it brightens my under eyes way more. Sometimes I mix it with Fawn as well. And as you can see, I'm really taking my time to blend that into my skin, which is giving me a really nice finish. So I'm just going to take my time to buff that into my skin. You want to really press it in. I'm then going to go in with my setting powder, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution setting powder in Banana. This powder is really good if you know how to work with it, and it's also affordable. It's only about £5. I'm then going in with my Black Up contour stick, and I'm just going to contour my nose, contour my cheekbones. Not too much, but just a bit of something. I'm then going to use my setting powder to also define my contour, just so it's more obvious but not too much. I'm then going to go in with my matte finishing powder to set my whole face. I can't remember the name, but I'll have it in the description box down below. Check the description box, it's going to have all the information you need. I'm then using my NYX blush, and I'm going in with a gold pigment just to use as my highlighter. Guys, I love this palette because it's very versatile. I'm then going to set my face again, and I'm going to put on some lashes. I can't remember where I got these lashes from, but yeah, they're just a random pack of lashes I had. If you want a detailed video of how to apply lashes, then let me know and I will do that. I'm then going to go in with my matte chestnut lip liner. I love this liner so much, and I'm using a nude lip pencil from Black Up. I'll have the name in the description box for you guys. And I'm going over that with my Kiki lip gloss. I love these lip glosses so much because they're very moisturizing, and it just has a really nice glow. I then decided to go into my tear dots just to bring the look out a bit more and put some glitter, and I went in for like a burgundy kind of glitter just because it's gonna go with my top. This is my go-to look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video.